can't go home again. And I just had to come back one last time. Man, I know you don't know me from Adam. These handprints on the front stairs behind. And up those stairs and in that little back bedroom is where I did my homework and I learned to play guitar. And I bet you didn't know, under that loud, my favorite dog is buried in the yard. I thought if I could touch this place for feeling, this brokenness inside me might start healing. Out here it's like I'm someone else. I thought that maybe I could find myself. If I could just come in, I swear I'd leave. Won't take nothing